Morning everyone. This short is probably not gonna work out. The Nasdaq is going back up. Yeah, it's right at structural support too. But there's the weekly reverb. Oh, the Nika is going back up. I was actually expecting it to turn here. But looks like this is not happening. Yeah, I don't like that very much.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck.
Yeah, all the yen pairs going up. This is a bad idea.
Trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
So Politico just reporting that US admin are to send a $2.5 billion aid request to fight the coronavirus.
Yeah, I'm gonna hedge that. This looks very bad. The Nikkei is shooting up pretty strong. The Aussie dollar alone cannot keep it lower.
Wherever we go.
So that's the Trump administration on Monday night is sending to Capitol Hill its $2.5 billion supplemental budget request for additional money to fight the coronavirus. China reports 508 new confirmed cases of coronavirus on mainland on Feb the 24th versus 409 on Feb the 23rd. To repeat, China reports 508 new confirmed cases of coronavirus on mainland on Feb the 24th versus 409 on Feb the 23rd.
It's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So, I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
China reports 71 new coronavirus deaths on mainland on Feb the 24th versus 150 on Feb 23rd. So that's a reduction there. China reporting 71 new coronavirus deaths on mainland on Feb the 24th versus 150 on Feb the 23rd. Japan's Finance Minister Azo speaks in Tokyo. Economic risks from virus are uncertain. China says Hubei has 499 additional coronavirus cases Feb 24th. To repeat, China says Hubei has 499 additional coronavirus cases Feb 24th. China's total number of confirmed coronavirus cases on mainland hits 77,658 as of the end of Feb 24th.
I just wanna give you all I can. There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something
Good morning, Swing.
China says
Are
Hubei
you
has
headed
68 new coronavirus deaths on Feb the 24th.
I don't mind waiting for it to
No, I'm not so sure about this trade.
baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance.
Yeah, I will get off there the support.
I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be.
If even that happens.
Japan's Azo says measures are needed to keep growth sustainable. China's total number of coronavirus deaths on mainland reaches 2,663 as of the end of Feb 24th. To repeat, China's total number of coronavirus deaths on mainland reaches 2,663 as of the end of Feb 24th. China says 2,589 patients were discharged on Feb 24th.
There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance, 'cause ooh, yeah. For you, I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause I wanna start a revolution with you.
Nasdaq at the VU up. Let's just trail it from here.
'Cause that is where I'm meant to be.
T1. Deleting targets.
Japan's Azo is still waiting to measure the effect of existing measures, monitoring virus situation
Checking
closely.
out.
And for context, China's Hubei province reports 68 new deaths on Feb 24th, that's versus 149 on Feb the 23rd. The Hubei province reports 499 new cases on Feb the 24th, an increase on the prior day's 398.
That was a nice little trade.
Yeah, I just clueless basically, so what's the point of staying in? Good morning, by the way.
On the death toll from the coronavirus outbreak in China's Hubei at 2,563 as of the end of Feb 24th.
But yeah, this is weekly VWAP rebounds. I think it's gonna keep going down from here. But no balls.
Now, have we got Asia open in 15 minutes?
No, already 44 minutes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this looks actually pretty good. I mean, the weekly VWAP, but never really it's never really accurate, and it's just going down from here. I think the outdoors just keep going all day. But and then I wasn't really sure about it, and never mind. Just get it over with. I mean, if you're not confident, then just fuck it.
South Korea to draft a supplementary budget as soon as possible, the Yonhap reports. Meanwhile, we hear via Reuters estimate that China's PBOC is expected to set the yuan midpoint at 702.55 per the dollar. That's according to a Reuters estimate. PBOC expected to set the yuan midpoint at 702.55 per the dollar. Japan's finance minister not yet considering additional economic measures to respond
that looks
to the
so good on the
coronavirus outbreak,
4-hour
as we
and the
discussed earlier.
weekly VWAP
They are
reversal.
monitoring the
Why did I
virus
exit this
situation
position?
closely.
There's still a target waiting. 72.408.
Ah, you picked your trend line and took a safe exit.
Yeah, that was basically the idea. But now I'm... Yeah, this could easy bounce back. I mean, it could go like another 6 down. This is, I guess, this one here. No, this
Japan
16.
also does not make any
Or this
comments
6.
on the recent FX and market moves, but says they're closely monitoring market moves.
Now to hear this one. I don't have this trend line, this white one here. Let's just copy it real quick. Indicators. Custom. Sync. Ah, shit. I'd synced it all from here to there. Oh, never mind. Ah, that's a blue one. Oh, look at that. It's right there. It was, after all, a good exit. That's pretty cool, with copying trend lines. I mean, what Ameritrade can do like forever. In C-Trader, you need a plugin for that. But the trend line was... I'm pretty sure this was this one. Oh yeah, okay. That was actually a good exit.
So the White House is to transmit that $2.5 billion coronavirus funding request today. Full
But
Politico pieces on our board.
But I'm pretty sure this is gonna keep going down. Yeah, from the 4-hour, this looks really good. I should have at least hold 1 or 2 lots. Whatever. There's gonna be another chance. Later in the day. What are you up to, Octo?
Waiting for Aussie Swiss to go up a bit more. And
I saw divergence on the Swiss. Just a second. Oh, this is just
Yeah.
for 6 hours. Hold on, I have to zoom out a little bit. 24 hours. Oh, it's still there. What was it? Aussie Swiss?
yeah,
Oh, but they have no divergence there, and this at the same level, both negative.
I'm looking at the 15-minute divergence from last session, end of last session, and the current hourly divergence.
Oh, it's just currency strength. I checked, but that doesn't mean it doesn't work. It just means it's gonna be slow.
Different divergence.
Yeah, just type DIV. What did I do? 24. Oh, fuck you. 36. There we go. Looks the same as the 24 hour. You see, the Swiss francs and Aussie dollar are very close together, and they're both negative. But like I said, that doesn't mean the trade doesn't work. It just means there is no force.
So what? Less likely a bigger move, big follow through.
Yeah, something like that. But if it goes, it goes. It just takes whatever longer. If there's like a news event or something like that, the event, the profit taking and order placements will not move the price. That's usually what it means.
I'm only looking for 16 pips, so not a huge move.
Yeah, then whatever. Aussie dollar, no problem. 16 pips. Let me have a look. I'm out of the trade anyway. Aussie Swiss. How you get to Aussie Swiss?
What? Say again?
How do you get to something like that? Oh, this is nice. This looks exactly like Aussie yen. But it's above the weekly view. Are you buying or selling?
Buying.
Oh, okay. 2.5 pips to the VWAP. That's moment of truth. Looks pretty good. It looks exactly the same as Aussie yen, but Aussie yen is below the weekly. But it did consolidate a lot more. Because of course, yeah, the indices are crashing. So this today's movement is pretty sure entirely the Aussie dollar. What's your target? Also 16 pips, you said 16 pips. Where? From where the price was? I tested R2.
0.64889. So, yeah.
If the Aussie dollar keeps dropping, that's gonna be a tough one. And moving average, 15 minute. But wait, that's your thing. Why? How is that happening? Buying a moving average.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, you did. There's
It
also.
was not by choice.
Oh, okay. Okay, the next resistance is 22 up, so you're just asking for 16. But Aussie dollar is below VWAP, so this could go a little bit more down. But I'm not really. Just ignore what I say, because the Aussie dollar makes no sense to me just now. That's why I exit the Aussie yen trade too.
That's cool. We're on different time frames and different strategies, so it's cool.
Yeah, but this is about structure. This is like, okay, makes sense, but the Aussie dollar makes no sense just now. I mean, just now, and not generally speaking. We are right at the moving average on the 15 minute. I noticed this works actually pretty well. Was a very good tip of you.
What are we talking about? The 200?
Yeah, on the 15. This is very accurate.
So, on the 15... Ah, yeah, the 15 minute. I got you. It's just testing it, pulling back 10 pips and then breaking
Yeah.
through, hopefully.
I guess it's up to the Aussie dollar. Oh, and this is going down. But the dollar is not going up. What is that? That's kind of strange. Oh, that's Japanese. Never mind. Are you buying some pound yen? Yes, I'm not so sure about the Aussie dollar today. That looks a lot better. That looks late. I just said it looks a lot better, but I didn't buy it. Okay, it's below structure, but this is a crappy structure anyway. Could at least have bought it to the pivot. No. I'm not so sure about things, to be honest.
Not gonna trust that one.
Euro is going down, pound. The yen pairs for some reason still go down, even the index is going up. Aussie dollar is... In other words, nothing to trade. Except of buying pound yen. I'm just gonna buy it. Probably a bad idea. Oh, I have pound yen there. This is supposed to be cable. Playing it safe today.
Good plan.
Because like I said, I'm clueless. And this hedge is way too early. There could be easier horizontal retest here. But I'm not willing to take that risk.
Equity News: Expedia Group is to cut about 12% of its direct workforce. Expedia is to stop some projects and activities and cut the use of vendors.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, if I change the way I love, if I change, yeah.
There we go down. Shit. Yeah, the rest of the spectrum looks very downish too.
Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways.
The cable is still at the Viva.
Can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart,
Yeah, this was a bad idea.
I could have stayed the night, I could have.
Bank of Japan's Kuroda is to appear in Parliament from 3:50 p.m. on Tuesday, local time.
Baby, we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it.
Yeah, all the yen pairs going down and I'm buying.
This heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I change
2.5 pips, I'm gonna hedge that.
my mind.
But the cable is actually going up.
Korea confirmed 60 more coronavirus cases, taking the total to 893, we hear. Let's repeat, Korea confirming 60 more coronavirus cases, taking the total to 893.
Maybe I'm just paranoid. Not a good day today.
GJ is bullish as well.
Alright, there's the US dollar. Small gap. Up, by the way. Oh, up. Yeah, bad idea. Maybe take profit at the pivot. This still looks like it's could go bad. It didn't make a new high. No, it didn't even test the previous one. Like I said, I'm just paranoid.
That's cool. Seems to be heading your way.
Yeah, but can't manage a new high. Yeah? Not even from the previous swing, which was just 30 minutes ago. It looks pretty bad. Maybe the index is helping a little bit. Yeah, Aussie Swiss should fly. I just see the Aussie dollar is trying new highs. Yeah, well, there is no currency divergence, so there will be no sudden movement.
Swing, have you ever used Renko charts?
I played with it a little bit, but not really. It looks nice on the 4 hour. It looks like it's faked it.
Which currency?
Pound yen. But I'm not trusting it at all.
I'm looking it for like sell off on pound yen.
I'm probably gonna take profit at a period. Yeah, the weekly VWAP is just at horizontal resistance. Maybe here max. That's absolute max. Yeah. Pivot, it looks better. Oh no. As you guys can see, today is not my day. If you're not confident, then just don't trade.
You seem to be doing alright.
Glad I went out of the yen short. That went horrible already.
Just putting some context for you from these recent China numbers we got for the coronavirus. As of the end of Feb 24th then, versus the prior day, we saw a 2.7% increase in the overall China, including Hebei. Number of deaths there, 2.7% increase. That's versus the prior day's 6.1% increase, a decline in the rate there. In terms of the cases, 0.7% increase on the prior day for overall China, versus a 0.3% percentage change on the prior day, so slightly increasing rate there. For Hebei, however, the main epicenter of the virus outbreak, there was a 2.7% increase on the prior day versus the February 23rd in terms of the deaths for Hebei, versus on the prior day before that, so that's comparing Feb 23rd to the 22nd, we saw a 6.4% increase, so a decline in the rate there. Case total for Hebei rose 0.8% between Feb 24th and 23rd, that's versus the 0.3% increase between Feb 23rd and 22nd.
For some reason the dollar index doesn't move at all. Oh, now it's going up. Why is that? The euro is going down. I'm out. Checking out again.
I am
2 for 2.
testing hedging using a Renko strategy. Looks promising.
Nicely done. What are you at for the day?
Oh, I don't know, 0.5% maybe? Yeah, 0.53. Yeah, but this is not trading what I'm doing. I'm just chickening out all the time. My target was the pivot, which is another 6 pips. Or weekly VWAP, which is another 14.
Well, while you're enjoying a coffee and a cigarette, you can watch it go where you thought it was going to go.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna be pissed all day. At least the ASEAN was the right call to exit that one.
Keeps
Let's
its
just go
1-year
back to that
JGB
one.
buys at 50 billion yen.
Yeah, that was a good
Keeps
call
its
to
10 to
exit.
25-year JGB buys at 120 billion yen and keeps its greater than 25-year JGB buys at 30 billion yen. To repeat, the Bank of Japan keeps its 1-year JGB buys at 50 billion yen, keeps its 10 to 25-year JGB purchases at 120 billion yen, and keeps its greater than 25-year JGB buys at 30 billion yen.
Yeah, look at that. As expected, it's gonna go right to the target. Even cable is going down. That's why I exit. I saw cable is popping over the VWAP. That's why correlations mean shit.
This is a bit of a pattern, really, isn't it?
I'm sorry?
That you tell yourself off for exiting too early quite a lot of the time.
Yeah, I do that. That is really a problem I have.
But you put money in the bank, so you shouldn't be too hard on yourself.
Holy shit, look at cable.
And the Bank of Japan also offers to buy 30 billion yen worth of inflation index bonds.
And pound yen doesn't move at all, so that means the Japanese make the rules now. So instead of buying pound yen, I should have bought dollar yen, but I'm not a dollar yen guy at all.
See what you mean about cable dropping off a cliff?
You see it?
Yeah.
Japan Chief Cabinet Secretary Suga saying there's no change to basically improving trend in the Japanese economy.
Just dropped 6 pips in less than a minute. And pound yen didn't move at all.
Hang on, your Shore Asia opened an hour and 12 minutes ago, not 12 minutes ago.
I'm sorry?
You're sure the Asia session started an hour and 12 minutes ago, not just 12 minutes ago.
Very sure. We are actually PPI data right at the bell. See the first move up, not on pound yen, actually. Yeah, strangely, not on pound yen. That was from PPI. It was right at the bell.
Chinese state planner will release another 10,000 tons of frozen pork from central reserves for Hebei, according to local state TV.
Oh, not such a bad exit after all.
E-minis here trying to crack above that 32.53 area of resistance. Hang Seng Index futures slips about 3% at the open.
Nice VWAP reversal. But I'm not gonna buy that again. But actually, this could be a fake.
I don't know, but I just thought you were looking at that with your finger on the button.
Yeah, but
PBOC gauges 7, 14, 28 and 63-day reverse repo demand.
my rule is only buy the VWAP if the major is in
And the
a positive
PBOC
area
sets the
too.
dollar yuan
Or
reference
also
rate
at
at
the VWAP.
702.32 versus a previous fix of 702.46 and a previous close of 702.76. To repeat, the PBOC sets the dollar yuan reference rate at 702.32 versus a previous fix of 702.46 and a previous close of 702.76. PBOC keeps a neutral position in open market operations, we hear.
That looks actually pretty good. For a rebuy, I mean. But the dollar index is right at the VWAP now.
Good evening all. What are we looking at? Or expecting?
Oh, we're chickening out. I think the only person that makes money today is Octo. Let me have a look. What was it? Swiss.
Yeah, it says the man who's just done 2 trades.
Oh, that looks a lot better than I expected it. That went pretty far, right?
Oh, I still need it to go another 4 or 5 pips. Then it'll probably go to the moon, but you know, that's life.
No, 8 down, 7.5 up. Nice swing. Did you scale in?
No,
I wouldn't either. Even now, the Aussie dollar looks still like shit. Meanwhile, Aussie pound yen gonna go straight up, just to rub it in. Oh, no, it didn't move at all. But the 15-minute looks pretty good. Whoa! My UPS just started to make a sound. What the fuck? 1 second.
sure.
Yeah. That is really loud. I don't know what that means. All lamps blinking.
Does it stop getting charged?
Yeah, the battery is broke anyway. I guess it's time to shut down. Shit. Holy shit, is that loud? You know what the coolest part is? There is actually a UPS repair shop service company just 400 meters down the road. I can practically walk there.
Yeah.
But I haven't managed to fix my UPS in like 9 months. I guess now I'm gonna get forced to it because I cannot. The only way to stop that is pressing the button and then it will shut down.
Not just a connection that's come loose on it, has it?
No, the battery is broke. This is quite a while already. Oh, 918.
En la cima no es normal y yeah. promesas que ya son por él.
You can't reboot?
Así que los niños para el cuarto, el pay no tarda tanto, él solamente tiene que comer y ustedes no pueden ver.
Ustedes me aman con plata. Después les
What, can't or can?
aquí no hay juego corbata y un poco de geo.
I can, but then I have to turn off everything here.
Nada de eso construye mi sueño. Nadie me quiere ver bien. Le digo aquí estamos todos muy bien.
Sudden loss of, how to say that?
Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay, y si yo les digo se asustan.
Communication.
En la cima no es normal.
Now taking a closer look at SPU's doing an H4 inside up reversal above the 3253 area.
Que se ha portado muy mal.
Alright, I'll be back in a bit. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index set to open down about spot 4%.
We won't mind as long as it doesn't drive you crazy, lol.
It does. And it's gonna shut down by itself in a little bit. So, and I don't want that to happen with my computers are still on. Alright, back in a bit.